Good morning, everybody. I wanted to start this little video off this morning real quickly by telling everyone how thankful I am for all the prayers and the concerns for over the last year and a half, or actually almost 2 years. My family noticed that I was turning yellow Christmas, New Year time back a couple years ago, and I had no idea that I was ill. I immediately went to the emergency room and found out that I had stage 4 liver disease, or essentially cirrhosis of the liver. I had to have eventually a transplant. I had no idea what that meant. I had no idea that I was actually dying if I didn't get a transplant. And I was out of money. Several different things came into play that caused me to be in a very, very bad situation financially. I was down and out. I had no idea what I was going to do. My family essentially said, "Dad, son, we're going to do whatever it takes to make sure that you're taken care of." Well, that wasn't real comforting to think that they might be thousands, if not $1 million or more in debt. And I didn't want that to take place. But anyway, I decided to visit Bethesda Health Clinic in Tyler, Texas. Bethesda is a clinic that helps people in the down and out. They help people by giving them first-class medical help for a very small amount of money. I think my visits were $20 a visit. They supplied me with my insurance, or helped me get my insurance towards the end of my stay there. Dr. Humphreys, bless his heart, is a very, very kind doctor who took very, very good care of me. He knew I was going to have a transplant. He knew that I didn't want one. He knew that I was trying to figure out every single possible way to get around it. I was looking at all kinds of things to try to figure out how not to have a transplant. If any of you know me very well, you know that I'm a little bit of a maverick, and I'm going to do things a little differently sometimes, especially because I was a little concerned about what I've heard about the transplant process. And let me ask you one quick favor. If you're ever ill, do not get on the internet and read about the process and the issues. They're very blown out of proportion, and they scared me greatly. I wanted to ask you a favor. Jill and I never ask people for money. We need your help. We need to help support this incredible clinic. I need your help to raise the $6,000 that I chose. And I chose it for several different reasons, but because they need as much support as they can possibly get, number one. But number two, it is my 60th birthday. But I can tell you one thing that was very vital to me. One of the things that I realized and started understanding when I was faced with dying, and that was that I wanted a little bit more time with my family. And I prayed for one more birthday, and He gave it to me, as well as a new liver. Praise God for what He's done for me. And praise God for all of your prayers and your help. Please give to my fundraiser today. Help me raise the funds that the clinic needs. Thank you.